Have you ever had trouble focusing or had trouble like remembering what it was you were supposed to do when you came into the room? Well, I'm Amanda and I'm enamored with nature, and I hope that we can show you some good solutions for that. This is my honey bunny. It's actually her birthday today. Everybody say happy birthday!
Happy birthday to me!
So she wanted to be the special one to do our DIY for kiddos today, and she chose the topic.
What to do when you can't focus.
So
when you're trying to do your schoolwork and then it takes a whole hour just to do 3 pages of math.
that's
Maybe you have to do like spelling and then you take all day to practice.
Yeah. So sometimes we know that our brain can do a little bit better, and we might want a little bit of help to, like, 'cause we know we're not actually stupid or something.
No.
It's just that our brain isn't working quite as efficiently as it should. Sometimes that's because we need more sleep. Sometimes we might need like a good drink of water and get hydrated. That also helps our blood get flowing and stuff like that too. But sometimes essential oils can help us. And if you have some in your home, we'd like to show you which ones are super helpful for you to be able to use to your advantage at a time like this. Now, doTERRA does already have something that's called Thinker. It's in the kids line and it's fantastic. Aria uses it a lot. Actually, all of my kids who homeschool, they all use it a lot. I have 5 kids. We love it, especially compared to the smell of the Intune, which is a focus blend that's a little bit more for grown-ups. My oldest, my 19-year-old, actually enjoys the smell quite a bit, and so when he was heavy into Latin, he loved to use this one, and it kind of became his like cologne. And I can't necessarily fault him for that, but it has a little heavier patchouli than I like. Okay, so these ones happen to be 15% off, and if you need these specifically, this would be a good time to get them. So hook up with me. I can make sure that you get what you need. But if you already have some in your home, this is this is what you guys are going to want to take a look at. Right, I pulled out these ones specifically. We have frankincense and sandalwood. Now, if your mom says it's okay for you to, expensive, she says. Yeah, so if your mom says it's okay, you're going to want to make sure to let her know we're only going to use a drop or 2. We're going to be extra careful. We also have the spearmint and the peppermint, and those two, you know what's so great about them? They open up our airways really well, and so they get more oxygen to our brain, and that helps us think faster. So that's why they would go into this blend as well. You'll also notice the patchouli there. The patchouli and rosemary are really good for helping our brain neurons start firing. So that's a really good thing for us too if we're trying to concentrate, focus. And then there's vetiver. Oh, sweet vetiver. The thing about vetiver is it does so many good things. We really like it. Unfortunately, it smells like the roots of a weed. This kind of is. It's sourced from Haiti. It's actually a beautiful co-impact sourcing story. If your mom ever lets you go on YouTube and look up co-impact sourcing vetiver doTERRA, oh man, you guys are going to love what you see there. But the deal is for vetiver, it helps kind of quiet our brain a little bit. So if you're continually distracted by, say you have multiple brothers and sisters who are also doing stuff, you're going to want the vetiver in your blend that you make up, because you'll need to be able to have something to help settle your brain down, right? And the last one that we're going to focus on is clementine. Many of the citrus oils like lime or wild orange or clementine, many of these are fantastic for being able to kind of just help us be in a chipper mood, right? And people who are thinking happy thoughts are going to get their work done quicker than if you're drudging through and being so sad.
Long. It's going to take forever.
Right, yep.
It's 3 pages of math and only 1 problem per page.
Okay, so in our mix today, remember this is how we always do it. Our goal is to get 20 drops total of any of the oils that we choose into your 5 ml bottle. And after we get those 20 drops of the oils that you choose, the rest is just going to be some fractionated coconut oil to top it off. So Arya is going to be able to choose her own specific ones through these ones that we mentioned here. So you guys will be able to choose your own as you have these at your house as well. And then always remember, guys, you definitely want to label and you want to clean up any messes you might have made. Okay, don't forget about that. That way, moms can be fine with you making more in the future. So tell us real quick which ones you're going to put in.
I'm going to put in vetiver because it helps us stay down.
Mm-hmm. We're going to do this real quick, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so vetiver, we're going to put a couple drops. Pick your next one.
And I'm also going to be big peppermint.
Okay, that sounds like a good idea. I wanted to show you guys that the vetiver comes out super slow. It has a very high viscosity. Viscosity is another word for like the thickness of a liquid, whether it's kind of liquid or a little bit, in this case, more like what would that be called? Like almost like a jelly or something. Sappy, that's a good word.
Like molasses.
Yeah.
Kind of like molasses.
4, 5. Okay, we're gonna get 5 of those vetiver in there. And then we're gonna do, you've chosen peppermint, that's a great one.
Mm-hmm.
What else are you gonna choose?
And also clementine.
Yeah, that's a great one too. Any other ones, or is that gonna be it?
I think that's gonna be it.
Let's top it off with 1 frankincense.
Yeah,
too, okay?
frankincense.
Yep.
That smells good.
Okay, so we're gonna do our frankincense, and then we'll just do the fractionated coconut oil on top, and we'll label and do our other stuff, and then we're going to have a fabulous time knowing that this is going to be a really useful thing that we can use several days, and we'll just keep it in our pocket when we're doing some really heavy schoolwork and things like that, right? Okay guys, I hope you have a fantastic Friday.
Bye.
We'll see you next Friday. Bye.